We begin tonight with a hearing held in Humboldt County for the possible placement of a sexually violent predator, Richard Stobaugh, released into the Manila community. The Northstate's News' Viana King was at the hearing today. She joins us now live with how the hearing went, plus what community members had to say. Viana?
Ariana, the courtroom was overflowing with community members ready to share their opinion about Stobaugh's possible placement. The California Department of State Hospitals plan to place him in Manila, following Judge Cockrum's granting him conditional release. Stobaugh was present today over Zoom with California Department of State Hospitals attorney Jane Hu, who asked for continuum during the hearing due to the extensive amount of nearly 500 comments and letters that were received. She stated that she was not given enough time to prepare. The letters and comments stem from the sheriff's office encouraging people in the community to voice their concerns, which Sheriff Hansel is encouraging people to continue to do.
What we don't want to do is lose that momentum. We have a couple months to prepare for the July court date, and we expect as many or more people to show up at that point in time. The judge has made a ruling that he will allow members of the public to speak.
During the trial, Senior Deputy District Attorney Whitney Tim alleged that Stobaugh wasn't being transparent and that he had child pornography in his possession back in 2018 during his time at the hospital. Tim also alleged that when she asked the hospital, they had no knowledge of this. After listening to both sides, the judge decided to hold two separate hearings for the child pornography claims and Stobaugh's placement if released. Although cameras weren't allowed in the courtroom, there were plenty of members outraged and ready to speak up, including Jeff Herbertson, who would be a neighbor to Stobaugh if he was released back into the community.
I'm hopeful that all of the people walking through the public land there and living in that community don't have to live with the psychological burden, as well as the actual dollar burden it could have on potential rentals in the area.
The hearing involving child pornography is set to be held on May 21st at 8:30 a.m. in the morning. The hearing on the possible placement in Manila is set for July 14th at 8:30 a.m. in the morning. We will continue to be at these hearings to bring you an overview of what happens. Live in Eureka, Viana King, the Northstate's News.